Sometimes we're in a convo, and it's nice, but you've gotta go. Ever been there?
All the time. You don't want to be rude, but you're like, please let me leave.
Yes, especially when someone's talking and you're checking the clock every 5 seconds.
Exactly. Exiting a conversation politely is a communication skill, and we've got you covered.
Let's start simple. You can say, I'd love to keep chatting, but I've got to run. Or, this was great. I need to head out now, but let's catch up soon.
Or try these friendly ones. Hey, I don't want to hold you up. I'll let you go. Let's continue this another time, yeah?
Want to sound more modern and casual? Go for, gotta bounce, but this was fun. Alrighty, I'll catch you later. I'm off. Text me, yeah?
And if it's a little boring, but you still want to stay nice, okay, I've got to take care of something real quick. We'll talk soon? Time flew. I'll leave you to it.
The trick? Smile, sound warm, and own your time.
Right. Leaving a convo doesn't mean ending the connection. Just be clear, friendly, and honest.
It's like saying, I care, but I also have boundaries.
Now you've got classy exit lines that keep things cool. Practice these and leave like a pro. See you in the next one.